CMM2 24Z Coal Mine Fully Automatic Drilling Rig. CMM2 24Z Coal Mine uses the fully automatic anchor drilling truck to realize automatic positioning of anchor bolt spacing, automatic mesh laying, automatic hole finding, automatic loading and unloading a drill pipe, automatic drilling, automatic resin anchoring agent loading, automatic anchor bolt loading, automatic mixing and pre-tightening, and other mechanized operations. It is a new type of fully automatic anchor drilling truck that can truly reduce personnel and improve efficiency. And mechanization replaces manual and automatic personnel reduction. The overall width of the drilling rig is 1.2 meters, which has good trafficability and is convenient for passing the road hazard. Remote control is adopted. The remote control distance is not less than 50 meters. It is flexible in control, convenient in operation, labor-saving, and safe. It is equipped with an automatic mesh laying mechanism, which has the functions of supporting the stable vehicle, automatic mesh laying, and supporting the mesh, greatly reducing the labor intensity of manual mesh hanging. Automatic positioning. 2 to 6 minutes of hole finding time is saved, and the efficiency is improved by more than 20%. It is equipped with self-drilling anchor bolt, self-drilling bit, built-in explosive roll, and a fast permanent support. It is used for the support of broken roof and surrounding rock in coal mines to achieve faster tunneling, safety, and efficiency. The support efficiency and tunneling efficiency are improved by more than 50%. Support parameters are set according to different roadway conditions to achieve one key automatic support. According to customers' needs, an automatic drilling machine for ordinary bolt is selected to realize automatic drilling of ordinary threaded steel bolts. Automatic loading of resin anchoring agent, automatic loading of bolt, and mixing and pre-tightening. The labor force of more than 2 people is reduced, and the support efficiency is improved by more than 45%.